let's remember it's just a pumpkin. No, we can put it back together.
Are you telling me you can do what the Humpty Dumpty crew couldn't? You have no king's horses, and they had all the king's horses.
Yeah, I'm not sure how much horses can help fix a broken egg guy.
You can't just scoop 307 pounds of pumpkin guts in there.
307 pounds is my exact weight. This is crazy, but I think I could slide in through the hole in the bottom. Then I could just sit in there for a few hours and maybe you can still win the contest.
You do that for me?
I broke it. I'll fix it. Plus, I want to beat McCloskey for you.